Hi, I'm Price Keever, manager at the Woods at Flat Rock Creek. Let me show you why one visit is all it takes for so many families to feel right at home. Nestled in the heart of the hill country between Austin and San Antonio, the Woods at Flat Rock Creek offers 3 to 5+ acre home sites with panoramic views and beautiful live oaks everywhere. The perfect blend of privacy, nature, beauty, and warm Texas spirit. Climb in, let me show you how beautiful this property is. What makes this property so special is it's covered in live oak trees. I don't think I found a cedar tree out here yet. We're gonna have central water, so no worries in the cost of drilling a well. The property's gonna qualify for an ag exemption, so you're gonna pay a lot less in property taxes in many of the other communities that are around here. We're gonna run black buck antelope and scimitar oryx. We've done this in multiple projects in Blanco County. They're beautiful to look at. More importantly, they're tax savers, and the property owner really doesn't have to do anything to maintain the exemption. The animals will do it for them, and it will cut down their tax bill substantially. We have a buy now, build ready program. A lot of people want to get their property now. When they're ready to build, they can choose their own builder. We're going to have paved asphalt streets out here, gated entrance, underground power. We're located about 5 to 7 minutes from Marble Falls. There's a hospital within the same distance of the property. There's all kind of restaurants, breweries. There's tons of wineries around here. Fredericksburg is less than 45 minutes from here. The chain of lakes is located real close to here. You have LBJ at Horseshoe Bay, and then Lake Marble Falls. Both of those are within 10 or 15 minutes of the property. We're about an hour from downtown Austin, a little over an hour to San Antonio as well. And then the DFW and Houston markets are about 2.5 to 3 hours from the property. There are lots of places around here to play golf. There's Horseshoe Bay, there's several courses in Marble Falls. So within 15-20 minutes of the property, you can be at many different golf courses. We're a dark sky friendly community, which means we like to preserve the night sky. Blanco County is known for having spectacular night sky. It's beautiful out here in the evening. National Land Partners has a very good reputation in Blanco County. We did a project 12 years ago right next door to this property, and we met the owners. They called us about 10 months ago. Davey and I went and met with them. She said we're the only company that they wanted to develop their property because they still planned on living next door to the project, and they had seen the quality of properties that we do. We've done 9 projects here in Blanco County. We give back. We're very well known in this area. We're going to do the property right because our reputation lies on that, and we take pride in that. We maintain excellent relationships with all our owners. 30% of our business is done by referrals, so people trust us with their friends and family, and that's an important part of it as well. The footage that you're seeing today, we haven't done 1 ounce of work out here. It's going to transition into this spectacular community over the next several months. It's only going to get better. It's spectacular now, but when it's done, it's really going to be amazing. When you come out here and take a look, we start selling very early in the process. So it'll be pre-development. We'll be cutting roads in, putting the water lines in, and power in. That provides the customer with the most amount of savings. So it's a great time to come out and buy as early as you can. And you're going to have confidence in the project because National Land Partners is behind it, doing it right. If the Woods at Flat Rock Creek feels like the kind of place you've been searching for, I'd like to personally invite you out to take a look. Scheduling your tour is easy. Just give us a call at 877-888-7566 or go to thewoodsaTFlatRockCreek.com.